more than 850,000 vulnerable people living in poverty or ravaged by war have been saved or helped thanks to the Aurora Humanitarian Initiative. The Aurora Humanitarian Initiative is gratitude in action. It was established in 2015 by 3 Armenians on behalf of the survivors of the Armenian Genocide and in gratitude to their saviors. During the last 3 years, 23 humanitarian projects have been launched or supported in 15 countries through Aurora Prize funds. These projects are the difference between life and death, between hope and despair, especially for women and children. In Sudan, over 340,000 people benefit from medicine and medical supplies at the Mother of Mercy Hospital. In Kenya, 4 professors in the healthcare field have been recruited and trained as part of the Aurora Fellows Volunteer Project to care for thousands in need. In Rwanda, 202 households and 440 Burundian refugees and their family members benefited from microcredit. 457 Burundian student refugees received scholarships to study at universities in Rwanda and France. This vital humanitarian work covers critical areas of humanitarian assistance, providing people with shelter, health, and hope. They include refugee support and crime prevention initiatives, infrastructure development, empowerment of girls and women, sexual violence awareness and rehabilitation, emergency medicine, neonatal intensive care, and healthcare services. The choice of sorely needed assistance projects, the selection of implementing organizations all come about after Aurora Prize laureates are selected. Each exemplary humanitarian is awarded $100,000 and each is also given the unparalleled opportunity to continue the cycle of giving by naming the organizations which receive an additional $1 million to do the work that represents Aurora's impact. The first laureate of the Aurora Prize, Marguerite Barankitse, saved thousands of lives and cared for orphans and refugees during Burundi's civil war. The second laureate of the Aurora Prize is Dr. Tom Katina, a Catholic missionary from Amsterdam, New York, who has saved thousands of lives as the sole doctor permanently based in Sudan's war-ravaged Nuba Mountains, where humanitarian aid is restricted. He was selected as the 2017 Aurora Prize laureate from more than 550 nominations submitted from 66 countries. The third laureate of the Aurora Prize is Cho La-Ong, a lawyer and activist, recognized for his dedication to fighting for equality, education, and human rights for the Rohingya people in Myanmar in the face of persecution, harassment, and oppression. He donated the award to 3 international organizations that provide medical aid and assistance to the persecuted Rohingya. Today, nearly 1 million of the most needy and vulnerable, in poverty, living in war-stricken areas, forsaken and abandoned, have received much-needed aid and relief. Join Aurora and support the heroes who give life and hope to those with the most urgent needs. Express your gratitude by taking action to help strangers, comfortable in the knowledge that you are now part of a global chain offering humanitarian relief that saves and changes lives.